Happy Thursday all. It feels like forever since I did an unboxing, and lo and behold, I get a box in the mail. Again, from one of my favorite places, Big Bad Toy Store. And I do know exactly what's inside the box. I'm super excited. So let's not waste any time. Let's get this bad boy open and get this bad boy out. So I believe one of everybody's favorite villains, the Joker. This is a Mezco 1/12 figure. Once again, we're going to start off with the excellent box that it comes in. Like I always say, it reminds me of 1/6 scale figures. And this one is no exception. Oh, there he is. And the box opens to reveal some artwork and the Joker himself, Mr. J. Now this one actually has kind of a special place for me because when I stopped collecting 1/6 scale figures, the Joker from Sideshow Collectibles was one of the last figures that I had gotten, and it was right around that time when I was going back and forth. Do I want to continue collecting these figures? You know, I had so many of them; they were all over the place. I had some displayed, I had some in totes, I had some just loose on shelves in the garage, I had some in their boxes that I had never even opened. That's one of my regrets about doing this YouTube channel. I wish I had started it like 10 years ago and was able to share my Hot Toys and Sideshow collection. Again, typical arm for the action pose base. Like I said, super excited to see what he looks like. I really like the paintwork. I don't know how well that shows up, but you see like his skin coming through, his flesh tone. That's a really nice touch. Oh, and brake is on. The clothing is done very well, as were the others. Let's see what he comes with. He comes with the wind-up chattering teeth. Very cool. Comes with a pistol with a purple handle. Very nice piece. Again, on this scale, that's fantastic. Does come with an alternate head. For me, I'm going to stick with the standard one. I mean, this is a great head too. You know, I think it's just preference. The hair is really well done. The sculpting at this scale is, again, fantastic. Let's see what else we got. We got a couple of hands. 3 hands to be exact. We have one with the Joker card, which is really neat. I don't know if that's the same card. I'd have to look, that they used in at the end of Batman Begins. Maybe not, but it's pretty neat looking. Then we got a gripping hand, and then we got some kind of like force push hand. And then he comes with the stand. A bunch of ha-ha-has on it. I really want to test this elbow, but I'm afraid that it's going to break like my Captain America did. Oh, fantastic. He's got little socks with Batman logos on them. How neat is that? And that's the same on both feet. He's got his proper dress shoes. And even the soles are painted a different color. So it's not just all black. It's not, you know, lazy paint apps. I had really no expectations of this figure. But I have to say, I think it's really, really good. A really strong figure. And if you went from collecting 1/6 scale to 1/12 scale, this is another one by Mezco that definitely eases that pain in the transition of switching to something half the size. But again, in half the size, it takes up half the room. And the same setup, the same feel you're going to get when you open it. So I don't really feel that I'm missing anything, which is great. Let's see, I'm interested to see where this joint is. There it is. I like that, the way he's got the short sleeves. Yep, they're fine. Let's try this one. I'm a little gun shy after the Captain America broke. I was able to fix it, but it's still one of those things you don't want to pay, you know, $75, $80, $85 for a figure and have the just by turning it have the elbow break. It's never any fun. But that is why I'm glad I do customizing, because it's something I'm able to fix. But yeah, highly recommended. If you're on the fence about collecting Mezco, don't be. They're totally worth it. If you compare this to any other DC release, or I'm not thinking straight, but any other company that makes DC products, this is just on a completely another level. And I'm so glad something like this is in production. And that's all I have for you for tonight. And as always, I do appreciate you watching, and I will catch you later.
If you enjoyed the video, please take the time to like and subscribe.